Okay, students, I'll be giving you certain questions. I want you to solve it right now. Okay, students, we are doing cross product problems. We are doing it. Okay, and I've given you the formulas earlier, students. Hope you have revised the formula, students. Is the formulas clear with your cross products?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The first question, students. Students, if in case if I give you vector A is given to you as 3i plus j plus 2k, and vector B is given to your students 2i minus 2j plus 4k. Students, the question asked is first one. Listen carefully, students. The first question under it. I want you to find out magnitude of A cross B. Students, I wanted to find out magnitude of A cross B. Students, what is this? What I've written over here? Is this a vector part or it's speaking about the scalar part?
Scalar part.
Scalar part. How do you read this as? कैसे read करते हो इसको?
Mod of A.
Very good. Mod of A cross B. Modulus of A cross B. That is the scalar part. Means I need magnitude of A cross B. Okay, students, I want magnitude of A cross B. That's my first question. Second question, students, under it. I want you to find unit vector. Find unit vector perpendicular to both vector A and vector B. And the third question I want you to get it. The cosine and the sine of, students, cosine and sine of angle between vector A and vector B. Hope 3 questions are clear to all of your students. I repeat, students, vector A is given to us 3i plus j plus 2k. Vector B is equal to 2i minus 2j plus 4k, students. The first question which I'm asking you, students, I want you to find the magnitude of A cross B. Second question is unit vector perpendicular to both vector A and vector B. And third one, students, I want to find the cosine and sine of the angle between vector A and vector B. Students, are these 3 questions clear to all of you all? All the students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please try it out. And one who gets the answer, students, raise your hand. I'll be and unmute yourself to answer. Solve it properly, students. So Aryan, Arif, Aisha, Ethan, Gayatri, Mariam, Pranay, Pratham, Rishabh, Shubh, Neha, at times Valentino. These are the ones who at times answer. Please see to that I want you to answer, students. Sarth, are you there in the lecture, Sarth? Roll number 21. It seems from Andheri branch. Sarth, are you there? Okay. Ruti has put forward her answer. Ruti, can you get the answer of that square root properly?
Okay, sir.
And Shubh has put forward his answer. The answer of Shubh is the first one. Sure. Give me all three answers together, students. Don't push one by one. Ah, come on, Ayushi. It's incorrect. No, it's incorrect, Ruti.
Sir, could you read out the third part of the question?
The third part is cosine and sine of the angle between vector and vector B.
Okay, sir, got it.
Is anybody can give me all the three answers, students? If you want, you can raise your hands also, doesn't matter. Okay, students, can I solve it now?
No, sir, 1 minute.
Okay. Come on, Neha. Kitan is responding. Ruti. Nizar. Nizar says, I've got the first and the second is going on. Fine, fine, complete, please, students. Those who know it, please try to complete as fast as possible and then we'll discuss, students. Gain your confidence. Taksh has put forward his answer. His first answer is correct. His second answer is also correct. Very good, Taksh. Here comes Neha. Very good. Neha's completed it. Shall we discuss? Ethan?
Okay, sir.
Where have you reached, Ethan? Ethan, where have you reached?
Sir, I'm currently doing the third one, the third part of it.
Neha ने तीनों complete कर दिए. Okay. How much time you need? You need time or shall we discuss?
Sir, you can discuss, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, Neha, can you answer, Neha?
Yes, sir.
Okay, give me the answer for the first one. How do you figure out magnitude of A cross B? So what should we do? Neha, tell me.
Yes, sir. Sir will do the cross product.
Absolutely correct. Touch, the question will come to you also. Be ready, please. A cross B students. So I should put down as I, J, and K are the unit vectors, okay, which shows the directions. And then I'll speak about the magnitude of A. So what exactly I'll try to put forward? I will try to put the magnitude of A is 3, 1, 2 students. Listen carefully. I के नीचे यहाँ पे +3 आएगा, J के यहाँ पे +1 आएगा students, K के आगे +2 है. So write down this as 2 itself only. Then you put the magnitude of B students under it. I ka magnitude is what we consider as 2. This is -2J, so it's -2 will come over here, and this is +4. Hope this part is clear, and I've explained you this, students.
Yes, sir.
Most of the times in the
Yes,
last
sir.
बहुत एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है इसके ऊपर, हम लोग ने बहुत मेहनत की हुई है स्टूडेंट्स, और ये गलत नहीं जाना चाहिए. शायद पहला और सेकंड क्वेश्चन के अंदर थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम है, लेकिन शायद सारे क्वेश्चंस इजी होने चाहिए. ओके निया, नाउ कंटिन्यू. सो व्हाट इज A cross B? Tell me. Yeah, are you there? Okay, she's lost. Touch, can you continue, Touch? Can you continue from here? Students, can you all hear me? Is the audio and video fine with you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So students, let me put it. Since Touch and Neha, both of them are not able to. The answer is, students. To get the cross product, students, मैं I को लेता हूँ. Block the terms under I. Try to go for cross. It's 1 into 4 will be 4 students. Minus into bracket. -2 2s are, that becomes -4 students. Okay. Second we consider
Sir,
is.
can you start again, sir?
Pardon?
Sir, can you show the step again? What you did?
Okay. हमने क्या किया? Who's this?
Sir, Rishabh.
Okay, ऋषभ. ध्यान से सुना ऋषभ. मैंने क्या किया? क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट तेरे को आता है करने के लिए ऋषभ? How to find out the cross product?
Sir, थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है.
Okay, fine. Doesn't matter, ऋषभ. Nothing to worry about it. मैंने ये सिखाया था लास्ट लेक्चर में, प्रैक्टिस किए थे इसके प्रॉब्लम्स, कुछ फॉर्मूला रिवाइज किया था, आइडिया? हाँ
No, sir.
हाँ, तो फिर कहाँ से आएगा? कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. अभी यहाँ पे आंसर दे ऋषभ. आंसर देखना, मैंने आई चेक के लिया है, ए के मैंने वैल्यूज लिखे हैं, बी के वैल्यूज लिखे हैं. अभी आंसर सुना ऋषभ. मैंने प्लीज I'm putting across to all of you. Listen carefully students, okay? Block the terms of I. ऋषभ, block the terms of I, और फिर तो लेफ्ट टू राइट जा. 1 into 4 4 आया, फिर माइनस साइन डाल, एंड देन यू गो 2 into -2 is -4. क्या ये स्टेप क्लियर हुआ पहले?
Yes, sir.
देन यू गो फॉर -j. सेकेंड टर्म हमेशा -j लेना है. क्यों? क्योंकि स्टूडेंट्स तुम्हें लेफ्ट टू राइट जाना है, तो j के टर्म्स को ब्लॉक करो. Students, when I keep my hand in front of j के terms, now see which are the terms which are visible to you.
I and K.
Absolutely correct. So this will be 3 4s. Doesn't matter, Neha. It's fine, Neha. See students, j के terms मैंने ब्लॉक कर दिया, तो 3 4s 12 होगा, minus 2 2s 4. ऋषभ क्लियर हुआ?
Yes, sir.
और फिर तुम के टर्म्स को पकड़ो, लेकिन पीछे के लिए प्लस के होगा स्टूडेंट्स. के टर्म्स को अगर मैं ब्लॉक करूंगा तो नाउ कैन आई से लेफ्ट टू राइट. सो ये क्या होगा? 3 2s are -6
2 -2.
and what will be -2. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ?
Yes, sir.
So now when you solve it, what exactly my answer for A cross B? Students, A cross B will be equal to minus into minus plus 4 plus 4. This will be 8i. This will be minus 8j. This will be minus 8k. Is this clear to all of you all?
Yes, sir.
Please, all the students who are into the group, I'm speaking about to all the 44
Yes, sir.
students.
Yes, sir. Got that.
Yes, sir.
कहाँ
Yes,
पे भी students, कहाँ पे भी जरा भी तुम्हें लगता है डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, जैसे ऋषभ ने कैसे पूछ लिया, प्लीज पूछोगे तो फायदे में रहोगे. अगर नहीं समझ में आता तो स्टॉप, जहाँ पे मैं होल्ड करता हूँ पूछो ना, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. सो व्हाट इफ इट्स द सिलिएस्ट ऑफ अ डाउट माय डियर. गेट द कंसेप्ट क्लियर, गेट द प्रॉब्लम क्लियर. अभी देखो ये तुम्हारा क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट, लेकिन क्या मुझे क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट पूछा है या मैग्नीट्यूड पूछा है स्टूडेंट्स? मैग्नीट्यूड. So if I want to go for magnitude of A cross B students, so what should I go for? Neha, come on. Are you there?
Under root of a square plus b square.
Yes, under root of what we consider? A square plus b square. What exactly it is? Yes, somebody said a square plus b square. Who's this? Siddharth, you?
Yes, sir. By mistake
क्या-
it happened.
Okay, it's a cross product my dear. Cross product का मैंने मुझे magnitude चाहिए और तुम्हें I J K में दिया हुआ है. Hello, Siddharth.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what exactly I have to get the magnitude? कैसे निकालोगे magnitude सिद्धार्थ को याद है? हाँ सिद्धार्थ, अगर I J K में दिया है कोई vector and if I tell you to find out the magnitude of it, don't you think so? This is
Sir,
simply...
unit vector is the ratio of the vector to its magnitude. We will apply that one.
No, my dear, I'm asking you only magnitude of this, my dear. अभी तो मैं पहले क्वेश्चन पे हूँ, मैं दूसरे क्वेश्चन में पहुंचा ही नहीं हूँ. मुझे सिर्फ इसका मैग्नीट्यूड चाहिए. I J K में दिया है वेक्टर, मुझे इसका मैग्नीट्यूड चाहिए. Yes, Izar. Students are giving answers by post. Students, doesn't it sir, क्या ये length of the longest rod का concept नहीं है? हाँ?
Sir, we will apply ax square plus ay square plus az square.
Yes. तीनों vectors mutually perpendicular to each other I J K में. एक positive x axis, एक negative y axis and negative z axis तीनों mutually perpendicular. तो ये concept क्या हुआ? Length of the longest rod. Orthogonal vectors mutually perpendicular one. तो students इसका आंसर क्या होगा? 8 square plus minus 8 the whole square plus minus 8 the whole square. So students, what is the magnitude of A cross B?
8 root 3.
3 times 64. So can I say 8 root 3 is the answer? क्या ये clear हुआ students सबको?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's the
Yes, sir.
magnitude. Okay. Doesn't matter, Izan. Okay, now second part, students, second part. ये first part था. Now second part, I want to go for unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. Anybody can give an answer for this? Unit vector, who wants to answer for this? Unit vector perpendicular to A and B. Yes, Nia.
Sir, magnitude of vector A and B.
Unit vector. So it's a ratio of vector to its magnitude. Students, unit vector is a ratio of vector to its magnitude. क्या ये clear हुआ सबको? अभी
Yes.
ध्यान से सुनना students, ध्यान से सुनना. ये है क्या चीज? I want to find out unit vector perpendicular to A and B. Students, मुझे सबसे पहले ये बताओ, हमने AB को एक प्लेन में हम लोग ने लिया है. Let us assume that vector A and vector B are the two vectors given to you in a given plane we consider x, y, z plane we consider. अगर इनका resultant में लेता हूँ students, तो can I say my resultant will be mutually perpendicular? And that can be written. अगर मैं A cross B चाहता हूँ तो मेरा आंसर C बार होगा. B cross A चाहूंगा तो मेरा आंसर माइनस C. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ?
Yes.
Yes.
अरे मुझे ये बताओ
Yes, sir.
स्टूडेंट, मुझे ये बताओ स्टूडेंट्स, अगर इनका रिजल्टेंट परपेंडिकुलर है तो कैन आई से मेरा यूनिट वेक्टर रिजल्टेंट के डायरेक्शन में ही है कि नहीं है? हाँ
Yes,
स्टूडेंट्स,
sir.
my unit vector is in the direction of resultant of A cross B. Yes.
Yes, sir.
In case if I'm asking unit vector is a ratio of vector to the magnitude, so now if I want to ask you unit vector is a ratio of vector of what we consider? It's a cross product of what? A cross B to its magnitude. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ? यानी एक्चुअली मैंने क्या फाइंड आउट किया है? सी कैप फाइंड आउट किया है स्टूडेंट्स. मैंने क्या फाइंड आउट किया है? सी कैप इज सी द रिजल्टेंट. यस स्टूडेंट्स, A क्रॉस B इज इक्वल टू C बार. ये रिजल्टेंट है, ये वेक्टर फॉर्म है. लेकिन अगर मैं इसका यूनिट वेक्टर लेता हूं तो यूनिट वेक्टर इज परपेंडिकुलर टू B आल्सो, परपेंडिकुलर टू A आल्सो. So now can I say unit vector is the ratio of vector to its magnitude. So if I want to find out unit vector perpendicular to both, so it will be A bar cross B bar upon magnitude of A cross B. क्या ये clear हुआ सबको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now can you get an answer for this? Can you get an answer for this?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Neha, can you tell me?
2 by root 7.
Yes. So now what exactly you consider? A cross B का आंसर क्या मिला स्टूडेंट्स? देखो. What's the answer of A
Root
cross?
7.
A cross B is what I'm getting it? A time
8 times 8j.
minus 8j. Agreed? 8i minus 8j
Minus 8K.
the whole divided by its magnitude. What is its magnitude? Can I divide 8 into 3? So 8 cancel हो जाएगा students सारों में. हाँ students.
Yes, sir.
So can I write down my final answer as 1 by root 3 as common? I minus j minus k. Is this clear to all of you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Please
sir.
let
Understood.
me repeat. I want to
Yes,
find
sir.
out unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. Students, I found out the cross product. I found out the cross product. Again, I repeat, students. Think this is,
Sir, how can 1 8 cancel all the 3 8s?
my dear, can I remove 8 outside? Minister, push.
The common, okay, sir.
Thank you. Erase करो भी मैं ये. हाँ. बोर्ड छोटा है ना my dear, छोटा बोर्ड है इसलिए ज्यादा मैं elaborate करके लिखूंगा तो fine, लेकिन ये समझना चाहिए, तुरंत समझना चाहिए. Okay.
Sir, one more question, sir.
Yeah.
So what does question apply to dot product, sir? So like if we have to find the unit vector, so A dot B upon its magnitude like that.
So they'll ask you to find out the unit vector in the direction of B or unit vector in the direction of A. That's all. They'll simply ask you only the unit vector in that particular direction. That is cos theta only. If they ask you unit vector in the direction of the resultant of A dot B, so A dot B upon AB, which is equal to cos theta.
Oh, okay, sir, got it.
Okay. Abhi yahan bhi dhyan do. Students, listen carefully. What am I trying to say over here is, listen carefully, students. Think as if this is vector A and this is vector B. Suppose अगर मैंने vector A और vector B को मैंने एक plane में दिया था. If recollect, ये मैं बता चुका हूँ. Okay, vector and vector B are in given plane. If I am going in anti-clockwise direction, A cross B, अगर मैं A cross B लेता हूँ, तो मेरा C ऊपर की तरफ आएगा. So look at my resultant. ये black pen को देखो students. What angle does black pen forms with blue? 90 degree. What angle does black pen forms with red? 90 degree. है ना? That means it's perpendicular to both. अभी तुम्हारा unit vector भी इसी के direction में है students. Then तुम्हें सोचना चाहिए, अरे सर उसका मतलब मेरा unit vector resultant के direction में है. Yes, resultant के direction में है. यानी मुझे actually C cap पूछा है. तो C bar is A cross B, तो C cap क्या होगा? Will be A cross B upon magnitude of A and B. Now can I go for the third one? Students are asking you of the cosine and the sine of the angle between them. Students, how do you get cosine of an angle? For cosine, what should I go for? Should I go for dot product or should I go for cross product?
Dot product.
Dot product, sir.
Absolutely correct. So for third ke liye, can I say A dot B is equal to AB cos theta? I want cosine of an angle. So can I say this is A dot B upon magnitude of A and magnitude of B? क्या ये formula clear हुआ सबको, students?
Yes.
Okay. Now listen carefully. Before going further ahead, can I say what is A dot B? So let me put forward. This is 3i plus j plus 2k dot. What is vector B? 2i minus 2j plus 4k. Agreed? The whole divided by A and B. Students, what is A and B over here? Is it vector A, vector B, or magnitude of A and magnitude of B?
Magnitude of A and B.
Students, can you tell me how do you find out magnitude of A? चलो बताओ, magnitude of A कैसे निकालोगे? तुम्हें vector A दिया हुआ है, magnitude of A कैसे निकालोगे, students?
3 square plus 1 square plus 2 square.
Of course, कोई भी students जो वाइज होगा बोलेगा सर, जहाँ पे आपने इसका कैसे magnitude निकाल दिया under root में ax square plus ay square plus as, क्योंकि I j k में length of the longest rod, वैसे ये तुम्हारा position vector है students. I want to find out the magnitude of this position vector. So what exactly be? Simply under root ax square यानी 3 square, जैसे यहाँ पे 8 square लिया था, देखो ना students, 8 square minus 8 square सबको ऐड किया था, exactly वैसे यहाँ पे 3 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. So see what is the magnitude of vector A? So 4, this will be 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, root of 14 होगा. Students, can you tell me what is the magnitude of B?
4.
Under root, again, go for this, 2 square plus into bracket minus 2 square plus 4 square. Students, what's the answer?
Root 7.
Root 24.
So 4
Root
and 4, 8. And this is 16. 16 plus 8 is how much? Root 24. क्या ये clear हुआ students सबको?
Yes, sir.
तो यहाँ पे मैं a b लिखता हूँ तो what is magnitude of a? Sir, magnitude of a is root 14. Can I put root 14 over here? Why not? Why not? What about magnitude of b? Root 24. Can I put root 24 over here? Agreed? Students,
Yes,
is
sir.
it clear? Now can I go for dot product? Students, what's the rule of dot? What is I dot I, students? What's the value of I dot I?
1.
P dot j,
1.
1. And k dot k?
1.
1. Sir.
But if I go for I dot j or j dot k, yeah, k dot I, what's my answer will be?
0.
0.
Everybody should know these things. And mind you, when I'm asking these questions, rest of them are simply listening to me. But please, अगर तुम्हें answers आते हो तो answer दो, unmute करो अपने आप को. या नहीं करना है तो घर पे बैठे जोर से चिल्लाओ ना answer. कोई problem नहीं. लेकिन unless and until you don't come out with the answers, you are literally stopping yourself from thinking properly, students. तो ये देखो यहाँ पे कहाँ से देखना students. I dot I is 1. So I dot I is 1. 3 2 क्या होगा? 6. Agreed? फिर इसके बाद में देखो plus into minus minus. Okay, sorry. 3 2 6. Then I'll go for the next one. J dot j. Plus into minus is minus. 2 1s are 2. Plus into plus plus. 4 2s are 8. K dot k is 1. So students, I did I dot I is 1. J dot j is 1. K dot k is 1. I simply multiplied the numbers. 3 2s are 6. 2 1s are 2. And this is 4 2s are 8. Divided by what? Root of 14. Root of 24. Students, what's the answer for this?
12 upon root 14, root 24.
So now can you solve further? 14 को तो मैं ऐसे
Root
रखूंगा.
3 upon root 7.
24 को can I run? 6 4 are 24 तो 2 root 6 can I run? Any possibility, students?
We can further divide.
Pardon?
We can further divide it.
Yes, you can further divide it. तुम क्या करोगे?
Root 3 upon root 7.
ये 6 को 36 ले लो. Upon 14 into 6. Agreed? ये देखो 6 6 to
Yes,
36.
sir.
2 3s are and 2 7s are. What's my answer?
Root 3 by root 7.
Yes. So answer is.
But sir, बाद में हम rationalize कर सकते हैं.
Yes. What happened?
हम इसे rationalize बाद में कर सकते हैं.
Yeah, you can rationalize it. You can put it within the root also. Anything. See, from here onwards, it's a maths part of it. But your answer should be root 3 upon 7. क्या ये clear हुआ cos theta के लिए, students?
Yes, sir.
हमें अभी भी sign of angle find out करना है, students. I don't have space. So once again, students, I'm revising the entire problem. Listen carefully. Vector A was given to me. Vector B is given to me. The first question was to find out the magnitude of A cross B. So मैंने A cross B लिखा, IJK, use the rule of discriminant we consider. And getting it we consider is your determinants we take it. Cameron's rule we consider. तो यहाँ पे तुम्हें cross product लेते हुए I got A cross B का आंसर 8i minus 8j minus 8k हुआ. Magnitude क्या हुआ? Under root निकालोगे तो 8 root से आ गया. ये तुम्हारा पहला आंसर हुआ. Second, perpendicular. Unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. Students, definition क्या unit vector? It's always the ratio of vector to its magnitude. Vector form में यानी ये form आएगा. Magnitude यानी ये आएगा नीचे. Solve करो, ये आंसर मिला. फिर तुम्हें cosine of an angle चाहिए, sine of an angle चाहिए. Cosine के लिए students you have to go for dot product. So A dot B upon AB. This is magnitude of A, magnitude of B. How do you find out magnitude of A? Simply square is the terms within the root, students. AX square plus AY square plus EZ square. DX square plus BY square plus BZ square. These are the magnitudes which I've got in the denominator. When I go for dot product, students, do keep in mind the component is cos theta. Cos of 0 is 1. Cos of 0 is 1. Cos of 90 is 0. Agreed? Cos of 0 is 1. Cos of 90 is 0. Now suppose if I say a unit vector along x-axis I, y-axis j, and z axis k. How are all three vectors? How are all three unit vectors? Are they mutually perpendicular to each other? Yes. R, J and K तीनों mutually perpendicular. अगर मैं इनका अगर मैं suppose मैं I dot I निकालूं, I dot I तो दूसरा वेक्टर भी पैरेलल ही होगा, तो cos of 0 1 होगा. लेकिन if I go for I dot J, J dot K, K dot I dot K, तो what is the angle 90 and cos of 90 will be 0. ये ध्यान में रखना डॉट प्रोडक्ट के अंदर स्टूडेंट्स. तभी जाके what exactly I did it. 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 4 2s are 8 with a negative sign, and this is a magnitude solving root 3 by 7. Is this much clear to all of you all?
Yes, sir. Yes,
क्या
sir.
मैं
Yes,
क्या erase कर सकता हूँ?
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Okay?
Yes.
I'll erase this part of it because we need to go for sum. I'll erase this. Now let us go for sine of an angle. Students. Okay, students. Now tell me how to go for sine of an angle. So what should I go for?
Sir, A cross B is AB sin theta.
Sir, A cross B upon magnitude of it.
Magnitude of A cross B. Students, magnitude of A cross
AB
B is
sin theta.
B sin theta. पूछा क्या तुम्हें? Sine of an angle between A and B. तो तुम्हें sin theta पूछा है students. तो क्या होगा? Magnitude of A cross B upon magnitude of A and magnitude of B. Students, what is magnitude of A cross B? 8 root 3. ये देखो आ गया है ना? है ना? What is magnitude of A? What is magnitude of A? Root 14. What is magnitude of B?
Root 24.
Root 24. Students, अगर मैं sin थीटा की वैल्यू निकालूं तो कहने से पूरे को मैं रूट में ले लूं, क्यों नहीं? 8 रूट में आ जाएगा तो 64 आ जाएगा. ये 3 वैसे का वैसे रहेगा. ये 14 और ये 24. Now students, can you solve this? 3 8 is 24.
root 1/7.
Okay.
Root
8
7
8
upon
is 24.
2 root 7.
Agreed. 2 4s are 8. 2 7s are. So can I say 2 by root 7?
Sir, 2 root 7 by 2 rational के बाद.
Agreed.
2 root
अगर मैं
7.
rationalize करूंगा तो 2 root 7 by 7. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ स्टूडेंट सबको?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Sir,
Yes my dear.
sir, we don't have to find the angle.
नहीं एंगल फाइंड आउट करना. मैंने क्या पूछा? कोसाइन और साइन चाहिए. I didn't ask you angle between the two vectors. I asked you cosine of an angle. मैंने cos theta पूछा. And mind you, जब भी तुम actually जब भी solve करोगे ना, तो तुम्हें questions ऐसे पूछेंगे जहाँ पे तुम angles measure कर सकोगे. यहाँ पे तुम्हें log tables की जरूरत होगी my dear. And log tables is you haven't done anything in log tables. MCQs में भी जब भी होगा तो you don't have to use your log tables. Nobody provides you log tables. ये ध्यान रखना students. Board examinations में you'll be provided with log tables, but nowhere, whether going for Maharashtra CET, whether you're going for BITS Pilani के exams, whether you're going for JEE mains, whether you're going for NEET, whether you're going for JEE advanced, कहाँ पे भी कोई भी entrance exams में जाओ, कहाँ पे भी log books provide नहीं करते students. तो तुम्हें ऐसे values देंगे जहाँ पे तुम angles निकाल सकते हो. और दूसरा तो हमारा magic triangle था ही. Magic triangle पता है ना students? What angles it was? बोलो. ट्रायंगल के अंदर कौन सा एंगल्स का तुम्हारा साइड्स में मिल जाता है?
37, 53 and
90
and 90 degrees.
है ना? Which are the three sides you have got it over there? What are the corresponding sides of the triangle?
3, 4, 5.
3 4 5. 3 the 3 units is a side opposite to which angle? 37 degrees. 37. 53 के सामने वाला कौन सा? 4. And the hypotenuse will be 5.
5.
These are Pythagoras triplets. Please ये मत भूलना. वो वाले एंगल्स तुम्हें पूछेंगे. बाकी जो तुम्हें पता है, जो तुमने 10th में पढ़ा है ना, 30 डिग्रीज वाले, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60, cos 30, cos वो, और तो जब तुम ट्रिगो पढ़ोगे उसके अंदर जो एंगल्स है, अलाइड एंगल्स, वो तुम पूछ सकते हो. बस. Is it clear, Neha? Did you get it?
No.
Okay, students, can I erase this entirely now? Students, erase कर दूं अभी मैं पूरा solution?
Sir, was 1 minute.
Okay.
Yes, sir, I'm done.
Students, those who are writing it down, write down correctly. Okay, properly लिखो. ये सारे solutions ध्यान में रखना students. Don't just sit into the lectures idly. Paper, pen, book सामने रखो. थोड़ा सा सोचो, थोड़ा सा लिखो. भले गलत लिख तो चलेगा, उसको कैंसिल करके वापस सही लिखो. लेकिन get the answers. Okay, students. Now I'll give you the next question, students. Okay. Let's see how many will get the answer of this. Students, given to you, there's a force acting on a body. Okay, the force is acting on a body, and that force is used to rotate a body about point O. Okay, the force applied is used to rotate the body about point O. Let R be the position vector at any point on the line of action of force. यानी सोचो ये सोचो students, मैंने एक thin rod दिया. Everybody please let it get. I've given you a thin rod, and this rod is pivoted at point O. यानी यहाँ पे मैंने एक axis fix करके रखा हुआ. Okay, this is my rotating axis. ये है तुम्हारा point P, and I'm applying force in this direction. This is my line of action of force. The force which is applied over here, students, is 2I plus 3J minus K in Newton. Agreed? So can I say the force is acting at the end of the rod? The distance of the turning point, students, ये turning point है. ये turning point है. And the point of application force. What do you call this as? You call this as moment arm. जिसको हम बोल सकते हैं position vector. कुछ समझ में आ रहा है students? 10th में पढ़ा है कि नहीं पढ़ा है? Torque, R cross F.
Yes,
देखो,
sir.
तुम्हारा F दिया है, तुम्हारा ये moment arm दिया है. How much is the moment arm given to you? The turning arm given to you, or the position vector? The position vector, students, is given to you as I minus J plus 6K, and this is in meter. Agreed? Students, पूछा है find the torque of this force. Solve. I want to find out magnitude of torque acting. Is this clear, students?
Yes, sir.
समझाता हूँ. ये तुम्हारा रॉड है, ये तुम्हारा एक्सिस ऑफ रोटेशन है. ओके, सोचो मैंने यहाँ पे. Yeah, Diti, I'm speaking about. This is the rod, this is the axis. I'm applying a force. Look at my force. Look at the diagram. This is a force. This is a force. The force is applied. See the rod. The rod is undergoing rotation. You know, it's rotating about this point. So my force which is acting is 2I plus 3J minus K. What is the moment arm? The position vector, I minus J plus 6K. My question is, what is the torque acting on this particular rod? Magnitude of torque. Get me the answer. Students, question clear हुआ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, they are cross product, no? We have to cross.
I don't know. मुझे कुछ नहीं पता. मुझे कुछ नहीं पता. मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूँगा. I am a Hindi teacher right now. This is a question given to you. मुझे physics नहीं आता है. Okay? Okay? Izar, you asked me ना?
जी sir.
Okay. बिंदास करो. तो जो तुमने सीखा है वो हिसाब से आंसर दो बिंदास. One who gets the answer first, please raise your hand. Ayush has got the answer. I want magnitude, my dear. See the question asked. Ayush, how come root of such a huge number? Now I told you to find out magnitude. All of you are giving weird answers. वेक्टर फॉर्म में सबका आंसर सही आ रहा था, मैग्नीट्यूड में पूछा तो सबका आंसर वियर्ड ही चला गया.
सर 2 मिनट.
Aisha, magnitude. I want magnitude. Neha is coming so close. No, Vritti. थोड़ा सा सोच. Okay, students, shall I solve? Who wants to answer? Who wants to answer? Can I unmute? वृद्धि, तूने मल्टीप्लाई किया है ना? इसका यूनिट मैंने दिया है, इसका यूनिट दिया है, तूने मल्टीप्लाई किया है ना दोनों को? यस, कितना सोच रही है वृद्धि? Ethan has put forward his answer. Okay, students, anybody wants to go for it? Okay, students, let's go for it. All of you are posting answers. Nobody wants to unmute himself. Okay, the answer, students. मैंने क्या पूछा students? Moment of force. Students, the formula for moment of force is R cross F, not F cross R. We will try to go for anti-clockwise. Students, anti-clockwise के अंदर look at my direction. My direction of the resultant will be upwards, anti-clockwise. And mind you, students, किसी ने मुझे पूछा सर यहाँ पे क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट यूज करोगे? हाँ भाई, यहाँ पे क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट ही होगा क्योंकि टर्निंग है ना. स्टूडेंट्स, क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट मैंने बताया था सिखाने से पहले. स्टूडेंट्स, वेयर एग्जैक्टली क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट इन द एंटायर फिजिक्स विल बी यूज्ड? बताओ स्टूडेंट्स.
सर मैं पूछ नहीं रहा था, मैं बता रहा था.
हाँ तो हाँ फाइन, लेकिन कहाँ पे यूज होगा बताओ?
सर जहाँ पे रोटेशन है सब होगा तो.
सर्कुलर मोशन रिलेटेड होगा जहाँ पे.
सर्कुलर एंड रोटेशनल, बस उसी में ही तुम्हारे क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट यूज होंगे. ओके, सो व्हाट यू सेड इज एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट यूज होगा. और देखो ध्यान से सुनना स्टूडेंट्स, अगर मैं R क्रॉस F करूंगा तो मेरा आंसर पॉजिटिव में आएगा। ध्यान से सुनना, जिसने R क्रॉस F लिया होगा ना उसको जो आंसर मिला होगा, और F क्रॉस R वाले को आंसर जो मिलेगा ना, दोनों का आंसर मैग्नीट्यूड होगा लेकिन साइंस ऑपोजिट होंगे स्टूडेंट्स। नाउ सी एवरीबॉडी हैज डन R क्रॉस F।
Yes, sir.
Yes,
अभी
sir.
नेहा एंड अदर स्टूडेंट्स F क्रॉस R का आंसर निकालो। मैं R क्रॉस F का सॉल्यूशन यहाँ पे दे रहा हूँ, F क्रॉस R का आंसर निकालो। चलो तुम लोग, बाकी लोग जिसने किया उसको करो वापस। मैग्नीट्यूड वही होगा, डायरेक्शन रिवर्स हो जाएगा। That shows that A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Do not obey commutative property. तो यहाँ पे हम R cross F लेते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, listen carefully. So torque I J K R. So put the values of R. 1 minus 1 6, F is 2 3 and minus 1. स्टूडेंट्स मैंने R cross F लिखा इसलिए R की पहले वैल्यू इसलिए फिर F की। जब तुम F cross R लोगे तो F की पहले लोगे यार R की। देखो तुम्हारा क्या आंसर आता है, आंसर वही होगा लेकिन साइंस चेंज हो जाएंगे। Now when I go further students, once again listen carefully, let us go for the rule we consider. Is that clear? Determinants. Okay, the Cramel's rule we consider. I cap, block this, minus 1 into minus 1 will be plus 1, minus n आएगा, 6 3s are 18 होगा, minus j students, block this, agreed? Oh, students, minus j, if I happen to consider, what exactly answer will be? Block this, 1 into 1 will be minus 1, 6 2s are minus 8. क्या ये clear हुआ students? Is minus 8 clear students? 6 2s are minus 8, negative sign. Plus k, into bracket what exactly will get? 1 3s are 3, minus into bracket 2 into minus 1 will be minus 2 students. Is this clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
All of you all. I
Yes.
repeat students. So 1 minus 18, what's the answer will be? Minus 79. Agreed?
Yes.
Minus 1, minus 8, minus 1, minus 8 students, what is the answer for this? Is it minus 9?
Sir, it will be minus 12, na?
Wait a minute. I will block the, is it? Oh, sorry, minus 12. 6 to the 12. Minus 12, minus 1 will be how much? This will be?
Minus 13.
Minus
Okay.
13.
Yeah. So if in
But
case,
it will become plus.
yes. Now see, this will be plus. Why is it plus? Because this is minus sign. Students, ये minus और अंदर क्या है? Minus 12 आएगा. Please, everybody, I block this. 1 into minus 1 will be minus 1. Minus I'll consider in this case. Agreed? I'll consider over here. So now if I happen to consider this case, I, J and K we consider. And this is 2, 3 and minus 1 we consider. So now if I block J, 1 into minus 1 will be minus 1. Agreed? 2 6 are what? 12. तो अगर मैं यहाँ पे 12 लिखूंगा स्टूडेंट्स, मेरा आंसर क्या आ रहा है? मेरा आंसर क्या आएगा स्टूडेंट्स बताओ?
Sir,
हाँ, students?
13 G.
हाँ, तो क्या ये 11 आएगा कि 13 आएगा बताओ?
Sir, 13.
सब लोगों ने
Sir,
क्या
plus
आंसर
13 J. क्या?
नहीं, सब लोग ने आंसर क्या लिया था बताओ? Those who have
Minus
posted-
13.
Yes. सब लोगों ने please, if I look at the answers, that's why I wanted to solve this. I was waiting for it. If you look over here, जितने भी vectors में लिखा ना, सब ने plus 11. आयशा ने plus 11 में लिखा हुआ था. Agreed. नेहा ने plus 11 में लिखा हुआ था. शुभ ने plus 13 लिखा हुआ था. And students वो plus 13 होगा क्योंकि ये minus 12 है. Again I repeat, मैं वापस कर रहा हूँ, यही पार्ट को वापस कर रहा हूँ students. Everybody be with me. वो गलत है, तुम अगर बुक्स के अंदर से देखते हो तो गलत है. Come back. Okay, students, look over here. Now see, minus j, agreed, into bracket. 1 into minus 1 will be minus 1, students. Agreed? Minus 6 2s are 12. Plus k, into bracket. 1 into 3, 3. Minus into bracket, minus 2. Now, students, what's the answer? Minus 79 plus 13j, minus 12, minus 1, minus 13, minus and minus plus. This is plus 5k. क्या ये clear हुआ सबको?
Yes, sir.
That's why I do feel so Shubh had got the correct answer. The rest all of you have got the correct. Now, those who have got this answer, can I get the magnitude? Yes. What's the magnitude of torque? under root minus 17 the whole square plus 13 the whole square plus 5 square, students. Can I solve? Can I solve this? Magnitude of torque will be under root, students. What is 17 square, students?
280.
Yes, 289 plus 13 square,
160.
okay, plus 5 square, 25. What's the answer of 289, 169 and 25, students?
463.
It's 463. So can I say my answer is approximately what?
Sir, 483.
9 and 9, 18, 19, 20, 23. 6 into 8, 18 and 16, 17, 18. 2, 3, 4. 483, students. Agreed? Now,
Yes, sir.
students, what is my answer will be? What is 22 square, students?
484.
What is my answer? What is my answer?
22.
Root of 483. So can I say my answer will be 21.99 के आसपास होगा या 98 के आसपास होगा? हाँ कि ना? यानी जब भी तुम सॉल्व करोगे ना स्टूडेंट्स, so they'll give you options कैसे होंगे मालूम है? They'll ask you as options what, you know, option A. The answer सुना students. They'll give you option A as 11.9, option B 21.9, option C 31.9, option D 20. मुझे बताओ, which is the best answer suited for root of 480?
21.9.
ऐसे ऐसे पूछते क्वेश्चन स्टूडेंट्स, जहाँ पे तुम्हें स्क्वायर रूट का कोई फायदा नहीं, तुम निकालो नहीं निकालो, लेकिन तुम्हारा आंसर क्लोज में आता है। एग्जैक्टली तुम्हें स्क्वायर रूट के हिसाब से निकालना तो यू हैव टू गो फॉर स्क्वायर रूट मेथड। लेकिन क्या ये क्लियर हुआ स्टूडेंट्स टू फाइंड आउट मैग्नीट्यूड?
Yes, sir.
अभी आंसर सुनो
Sir,
स्टूडेंट्स।
in this type of situation, we can also means if we know that after this, after finding the root, we will directly get the answer. So we can square the numbers in the option and then find the closest one. No?
Yes, why not? You can go for that, and that is eliminating the options. Okay? अभी दूसरी बात, अभी देखो यहाँ पे मैंने r क्रॉस f किया स्टूडेंट्स, मुझे ये आंसर मिला। स्टूडेंट्स अगर मैंने तुम्हें बोला होता स्टूडेंट्स f क्रॉस r का आंसर निकाला, चलो तो मुझे माइनस टर्म मिलता। स्टूडेंट्स f क्रॉस r अगर किसी ने निकाला होगा तो तुम्हारा आंसर क्या मिलेगा? मतलब सेम आंसर मिलेगा, लेकिन ये कितना आएगा? प्लस 79 मिलेगा, माइनस 13 मिलेगा, and this will be minus 5k. Has anybody tried out f cross r?
Yes,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So are you getting this answer?
Yes, sir.
है ना? यानी मैग्नीट्यूड तुम्हारा सेम होगा, लेकिन सी साइंस आर ऑपोजिट, दैट मींस डायरेक्शन गेट्स रिवर्स्ड। क्या ये क्लियर हुआ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I erase this entire solution, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I noted down.
Yeah. Bolo. Clear? Can I erase?
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. Let's go for the next question, students. Okay. Now listen carefully. Two vectors are given to you, students. Okay. Listen carefully to this question. Okay. Vector A is equal to 2i plus 2j plus pk. P दिया हुआ students, number नहीं दिया है, pk. And vector B is given to you as I plus j plus k. Students, there are two questions asked to you. The first question asked is, The two vectors, find the value of P. हमें value of P पूछा है when the two vectors are mutually perpendicular to each other. When vector A is perpendicular to vector B, find the value of P. Second case में क्या पूछा? Find the value of P when the two vectors are parallel to each other. क्या क्वेश्चन समझ में आया स्टूडेंट्स?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
बहुत ध्यान से शांति से try to work it out. Is that clear? And one who finishes off now, raise your hand and unmute students. Okay? Come on, solve fast. So please, the rest of the students also start thinking of those who don't reply, those who don't respond. Farhan, Coach, Devansh, Arav, Aryan, Akshay, Anil, Ankit, Ashna, Christy, Bhavya, Dikshita, Vishali, Mariam. Vivek, are you there inside the lectures? Yaha, are you there? Vivek and Yaha, are you there or not there? Yes, anybody? Find the value of P when they are perpendicular and value of P when they are parallel. Akanksha, are you there? Akanksha and Akshay. Akanksha
Yes,
and
sir.
Akshay. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. कुछ भी होगा तो पूछना हाँ please. Akanksha, what about you, Akanksha? Are you understanding? And Ankit, what about you, Ankit? Ankit, are you getting it? Are you there? Can you unmute yourself, Ankit? Not replying. Christy, what about you, Christy? Are you getting it? No problem, Akanksha. No problem, Akanksha. लेकिन जितना मैं solve कर रहा हूँ समझ में आ रहा है, Akanksha. I just asked you that only, my dear. ना जितना हम लोग सॉल्व कर रहे हैं जहाँ पे फॉर्मूला बता रहा हूँ फिर फॉर्मूला बताने के बाद अपने वैल्यूज आंसर लिख के आ रहा है स्क्वायर्स होते हैं ओके फाइन Neha has put forward the answer. In the first case she's got the answer and second case what's your answer, Neha? Solving that brackets, what exactly you get it? Okay students, let us solve. Who's going to answer? Neha. Yes, Neha, answer. Neha, bolo.
Yes, sir. So in first case, we have to do the dot product.
Okay, that is first
Because
one.
they are perpendicular to each other.
Okay, when they're perpendicular to each other, you'll go for what? Dot product of them because cos of 90 0 हो जाएगा. Students,
Yes,
ध्यान
sir.
रखना जब ए और बी दोनों म्यूचुअली परपेंडिकुलर है और तुम्हें पी की वैल्यू पूछिए तो स्टूडेंट्स व्हाट एग्जैक्टली नेहा शी वेंट फॉर शी सिंपली वेंट फॉर डॉट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ए डॉट बी. स्टूडेंट्स ए डॉट बी का आंसर क्या होगा? ए बी cos थीटा एंड स्टूडेंट्स थीटा द एंगल बिटवीन देम इज 90 डिग्री तो क्या होगा? cos of 90 होगा. तो कहने से मैं आंसर ए डॉट बी क्या बन जाएगा सर? दैट इज इक्वल टू 0 बिकॉज cos of 90 is 0 0 into any number is 0. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ? इतना क्लियर हुआ एवरीवन? Students, dot product of A dot B. Is it clear to all of you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I'll go for dot product. What is A? So A is 2y plus 2j plus p. Akanksha, ध्यान दे यहाँ, plus pk dot. What is b? I plus j plus k. तो अभी देखो स्टूडेंट्स कैसे करोगे? I dot I, मैंने क्या बोला था जब भी डॉट प्रोडक्ट होगा स्टूडेंट्स, so what is the value of I dot I? Is it 0 or 1?
1,
1.
J dot j
1,
and k dot k?
1.
Of course, after just simply go, the rest of the terms will be 0. Students, there are 3 terms over here. There are 3 terms over here. जब भी तुम multiply करोगे तो you will get 9 terms. 9 में से 6 terms 0 होंगे, सिर्फ 3 term बचेंगे. Now students go for I dot I is 1. 2 ones are 2 plus 2 ones are again 2, j dot j plus p into 1 will be p, and that is equal to 0. So this dot product is equal to 0, so that is equal to 0. So can I say 4 plus p is equal to 0? If what's the value of p? Minus 4. क्या ये clear हुआ सबको? Students, is it clear? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So जब भी अगर p की वैल्यू पूछते हैं और दो वेक्टर्स दिए हैं तो दो कंडीशंस पॉसिबिलिटी होती है स्टूडेंट्स. You can go for cross product, you can go for dot product. Lekin students, preferably dot product is much more easier to tackle it as compared to cross product. अभी देखो यहाँ पे पैरेलल है. स्टूडेंट्स पैरेलल का मतलब क्या हुआ? थीटा क्या होगा? 0 डिग्री. स्टूडेंट्स थीटा 0 डिग्री, दोनों पैरेलल है. तो स्टूडेंट्स व्हाट इज साइन ऑफ 0? 0. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ स्टूडेंट्स? तो यहाँ पे अभी क्या करोगे तुम?
Cross product.
cross
Yeah.
product.
So can I say A cross B will be equal to what? A B sine 0. So can I say A cross B का आंसर क्या है? Magnitude of A cross B, what exactly I'm going to get it equal to 0. क्या ये clear हुआ students?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
if I want to go for the cross product, can I go for the cross product? Let us go for the cross product students. A cross B. A cross B. Again, let us go for the determinants part of it. I, J, K. See students, I want A cross B. So write down the magnitude of A, and for I it is 2, J is 2, K is P. All are with positive signs. For B, it's 1, and 1K, that is 1. Now if I want to go for A cross B, what's a mathematical formula we consider? Students, first you go for I cap, block this, cross multiply. Akanksha, formula देखो, cross multiply. So 2 ones are 2, minus आएगा, p into 1 p हो जाएगा. फिर क्या करोगे? सेकेंड टर्म के लिए माइनस j रखोगे. इसको टर्म को ब्लॉक करो. 2 ones are 2, minus p ones are p होगा. Last term will be plus k students. Agreed? K को लिखोगे तो into क्या होगा? What exactly into I'll get it? Into bracket क्या हो जाएगा? 2 ones are 2, minus 2 ones are 2. Now students, what's the answer of A cross B? So A cross B, my answer will be I into bracket 2 minus P minus J into bracket 2 minus P, and the last term is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ सबको? A cross B का आंसर स्टूडेंट्स?
Yes, sir.
Now can I put it back over here? यानी ये क्या होगा सर? I 2 minus P minus J 2 minus P is equal to 0. Agreed? So can I take 2 minus P? Because see, I and J, what exactly? These are unit vectors I can consider. So I can go for 2 vectors. I can go for 2 minus P, and I minus J is equal to 0. Can I move 2 minus P outside? Students? I want to get the value of P. So can I say factors here? So can I say 2 minus P is equal to 0? So can I say P is equal to 2? क्या ये clear हुआ students?
Yes, sir.
Is this clear to all the students inside the group? All the students? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. There are certain students who are just into the lectures and they are not replying at all. I'm removing them. I'm removing them completely. Okay. Can I erase the students?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Second.
Okay, students. Now let's go for certain more questions, students, related to it. Let us go for now in chapter, students. Have a look onto it, students, on page number 16. Students, you have the module in front of you.
Yes, sir.
Page
Yes,
number
sir.
16 in chapter, students. I want you to try out your question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, and question number 4 first. First, try out, students, question number 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2, everybody, and get me the answer. Do not just post both the answers simultaneously. And if you know it, raise your hand, students. Is that clear? I speak about page number 16 in chapter. Page number 16, we are going for in chapter, first question. I'll put forward the question also. Please, those students who don't have the module can look over here. Pucha kya students, pehla question. Find a unit vector. Find unit vector. ध्यान से सुना students, ऐसे वाले questions हम लोगों ने किए हैं. Find a unit vector perpendicular to both a bar and b bar. Students, क्या ये पहले किया हम लोगों ने? हम लोगों ने ऐसे वाला question किया कि नहीं किया?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm giving it to you. A bar is given to you. Okay. A bar is equal to what? 2i plus j. And b bar is given to us what? I plus 2j. Come on, solve. This is the first question, students. Solve, everyone. Ankit, are you getting it, Ankit? Ankit, are you there? Ethan has all excellence. Ethan has got the first answer. Ethan, did they give you that the motion is clockwise or anti-clockwise? क्या ये दिया हुआ है? Is it A cross B or B cross A? Is it given to you, Ethan?
No, sir. They have not told the direction, sir.
हाँ, so can I say my resultant can be in both the direction? It can be possibility for both.
Oh, yes. It could be positive and negative.
हाँ, तो तुम्हारा आंसर प्लस और माइनस में होगा। इतना ये सब ध्यान में रखना है जब भी तू एमसीक्यू सॉल्व करता है, क्योंकि एक ऑप्शन तुम्हें प्लस के में देंगे, दूसरा ऑप्शन माइनस के में देंगे, और तीसरा ऑप्शन प्लस और माइनस के में देते हैं। ओके,
So sir, if direction is not given like clockwise and anti-clockwise, then sir should we just like write the answer as plus minus like that?
yes, Siddhant, plus minus, very good.
Okay. Okay sir, got it. Thank you.
Go to the next one, student. Second one, जिसका first हुआ है complete करो, second वाला भी करो, please fast. Ankit, are you there? Neha has posted answer now. Absolutely correct, Neha. Second one करो.
Sir, second I have posted earlier.
Second one posted earlier. I didn't see it. क्या बात है Neha, you are very fast. Okay. Very good, very good. Shall we discuss, students? Students? Ruti has got the first one correct. Ruti, what about the second one? Get to the second one fast. If you give the second answer, we'll discuss. Neha and Ruti are the two girls who are interacting, that's all. And guys, a few guys are there. Rest of them just sitting idle into the classroom. Pranay has also got the answer. Second one. Absolutely, Aisha. Very good, very good. Okay, can anybody give me the answer for the first one? Who wants to answer for the first one? Aisha, can you answer, Aisha? Answer for the first one, Aisha.
Yes, sir. Okay. Sir, now they have asked for unit vector, so we have to do A cross B upon magnitude of A cross B. So here A is given 2i plus j and B is given I plus 2j. So we can find by cross method.
Absolutely correct, students. A cross B upon magnitude of A cross B, she's saying it, students. So now if I happen to go for A cross B, what is A cross B? You're getting it? I, J, K. This is 2, 1, 0. This is 1, 2, 0. What answer you got it? A cross B?
3k.
3K. Students, कैसे मालूम है? अगर तुम I को ब्लॉक करोगे तो ये 0 आता है, यानी ये टर्म 0 जाएगा. J को क्रॉस करो तो फिर तो K के टर्म्स ही बचेंगे, students. So what exactly write down? K into bracket 2 2s are 4 minus 1. So what's my answer? 3K.
3k.
What is magnitude? What is magnitude of A cross B? This is magnitude, this is direction. Agreed, students? देखो ये क्रॉस पड़ रहा है तो ये है मैग्नीट्यूड और ये डायरेक्शन. अगर मैंने पूछा व्हाट इज A क्रॉस B, so what's my answer? 3.
3.
क्या ये क्लियर हुआ? ये सिर्फ मैग्नीट्यूड है, स्टूडेंट्स. Agreed? Now what exactly unit vector? It's a ratio of vector to its magnitude we consider. So can I say 3K cap upon 3? 3 and 3 will get cancelled. What's my answer? K. But students, did they give you A cross B or B cross C? That is not given to me. So students, my answer can be plus or minus. My answer will be plus or minus K cap. Means if in case if I'm, the answer is student, this is vector A, this is vector B, and this is a given plane. I repeat over here. When you try to go for A cross B in clockwise, my unit vector is in the positive Z axis. That is A plus K cap hoga. Like if I'm going B cross A in clockwise direction, students, my unit vector will be in the direction opposite. That is minus K cap. And this is perpendicular to both.
So we can write it directly also, huh?
Yeah, why not? You can put it directly opposite, plus or minus. Okay. Fine. What about the next part? Next part, the second question, students. Now please pay attention for the second question. The second question is given to you, students. Torque is given to you. Find the torque of the torque due to applied force. The force applied, student, is given to you as minus 3i plus j plus 5k. And this is acting at a point. Okay. And the position vector for that particular point we consider is 7i plus 3j plus k. Students, they're telling you to find a torque. So what's the formula for torque? R cross F. We are going for anti-clockwise. Now, can you give me the answer for R cross F, students? Again, we go for vectors. This is I, J, K. Yes. Aisha, answer.
Yes, and now we have to put the value.
Tell me the values.
7.
R cross F. Na, so 7.
7, 3, 1.
1.
Then for F is minus 3, 1 and 5.
Very good. Now, what is the formula? I cap into bracket will be what?
15 minus 1.
Very good. 15 minus 1. Minus j cap into bracket.
35 minus 3.
Okay, 35 minus of minus 3. Very good. Plus k cap into bracket.
7 minus of 9.
7 minus of minus 9. Very good. So what's my answer will be? 15 minus 1 will be 49. Then
9. Minus 38j cap.
38j cap.
Plus 16k cap.
Plus 16k cap. Which option shows me this?
Option A.
Option A. Very good. So see the way she is answering in that case. And this is how you have to reply, students. जबरदस्ती मैं तुम्हें उठा के पूछूं, it's not good. Are you getting it, students? जैसे कि अंकित है, अंकित को कितना मैंने पूछा लेकिन अंकित आंसर ही नहीं दे रहा है. Ankit, he's just sitting like that only. I need to call his dad.
Sir, how do we know it is in anti-clockwise direction only?
My dear, see one thing. Look at the options. Do you have any options with minus 14, plus 38, minus 16? Huh?
No, sir.
So that is it. ये तुम्हारा आंसर है. अगर suppose the answer सुना, ये यहाँ पे दिया नहीं है. यहाँ पे दिया नहीं कि क्लॉकवाइज एंटी क्लॉकवाइज। अब डांस सुनाओ, सी इज रेजिंग अ क्वेश्चन। सपोज अगर कोई दूसरे स्टूडेंट ने F क्रॉस R निकाला होता, हेलो F क्रॉस R, तो उसका आंसर क्या मिलता? -49 plus 38J minus 16K. And now when he looks at the options, there is no answer matching with this. Agreed?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
But then too also, what is your answer? Your answer will be option A only. The reason is why, because they haven't said whether it's clockwise or anti-clockwise. I can have two possible answer. यानी तुम A ही मार्क करके आना। फिर दूसरी बात, अगर मोर देन वन ऑप्शन बोला है, सपोज अगर कोई एमसीक्यू के अंदर मोर देन वन ऑप्शन होगा, तो उसका मतलब they must have given you this as one option and this must have been some option D. That means the question is asked for both, whether clockwise or anti-clockwise. So you have two options and both options are correct for it. And this is asked in mains, more than one option, as well as in advance also. क्या ये clear हुआ, students?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
do they mark anywhere that this is a two option question?
And then of course they tell you now, they'll give you, they'll ask you in that case, they'll give you. The question heading में लिखा होता है, okay, the options one or more than one correct options, mark one option or more than one option correct, ऐसे बोलते हो। तो तुम्हें फिर समझना है कि सारे options में से कौन सा है। Am I getting it?
Yes.
Can I erase this? क्या erase करूँ मैं इसको अभी?
सर एक क्वेश्चन था।
Pardon?
सर एक क्वेश्चन था।
हाँ बोलो।
सर अगर एंटी क्लॉकवाइज है तो सिर्फ साइन चेंज कर देनी है ना सबकी, सब टर्म्स की?
Yes, absolutely correct. सिर्फ साइन चेंज होगा, लेकिन साइंस ध्यान में रखना, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज होगा तो पॉजिटिव में आएगा, क्लॉकवाइज में होगा तो नेगेटिव में होगा। अभी तक मैंने एंटी क्लॉक में, तो ये मेरा 14 माइनस, तो अगर मैं क्लॉकवाइज चला जाऊंगा तो मेरे साइंस ऑपोजिट हो जाएंगे, ये माइनस में आ जाएगा, ये प्लस में आ जाएगा और ये माइनस में हो जाएगा, ये ध्यान में रखना। एग्रीड?
यस सर।
ओके, कैन आई इरेज दिस स्टूडेंट्स?
Just a second. Yes, sir. Okay. Yes, sir, I'm done.
Okay, students. Now I want to solve question number 3 and question number 4, students, from the same in chapter. Okay. The question number 3, students, is given to you as. Those who don't have the model, please listen carefully. Think about question number 3. Okay. The magnitude of vector product of two vectors is √3 times the scalar product. Okay. Students, I repeat. The magnitude of vector product is √3 times their scalar product. Okay. What is the angle between the two vectors? So to find out theta. Solve third one and then solve the fourth one, students. And those who finish both can raise hands. Or you can unmute. Ethan has put forward the answer for the third one.
Sir, in the fourth question, sir, what is that symbol, sir?
It's
That-
omega. It's omega.
Okay.
W. हाँ वृद्धि इनकरेक्ट, शुभ इनकरेक्ट, वृद्धि शुभ भूतों के लिए इनकरेक्ट, थोड़ा ध्यान देके करो। डोंट गो इन अ रश। वृद्धि, यस वृद्धि, अभी देखो अभी से क्या आ रहा है, अभी सॉरी भी बोल रहे हो।
Sorry, sir, by mistake.
Okay, doesn't matter. घाय मत करो ना, तुम्हें आता है फिर क्यों घाय करते हो। Shubh is also correct now. 3 students have got it correct. Shubh, Prati, and Ethan. Come on, Neha, waiting for you. Aisha, Taksh also has got the answer. Good, Taksh. Neha, I want the angle, my dear. Shubh, no, my dear. Acha, this is for the fourth
Sir,
one.
sir,
Angle find out karo, Neha.
Sir, anger is also there.
Acha, you have given. Very good. Very good. Very good. इतने मैसेजेस आ जाते हैं ना, नेहा का मैसेज पीछे चला जाता है ना। नेहा, गणपति बाप्पा मोरिया।
Yes, sir.
यस। Which branch you are from, Neha?
Sir, Khargar.
Oh, so far off. Good. Rashika is also correct. Very good, Rashika. Taksh got the second answer. Okay, students, let's discuss. Who wants to answer? Taksh, can you answer? Or Rashika, you want to answer? Who wants to answer? Taksh or Rashika? अभी दोनों आंसर नहीं करेंगे।
Sir, should I?
या बोलो आंसर।
Sir, we will find, it is given the question that magnitude of vector product is equal to √3 of scalar product. So we would model A magnitude of A cross B is equal to √3 multiplied by dot product of A into P.
Okay, so what is magnitude of vector product? Is it for A cross B? Is it AB sin theta?
Yes, sir. AB sin theta is equal to √3 AB cos theta.
Very good.
So,
Can I
sir,
cancel AB?
yes, sir. So sin theta upon cos theta is equal to √3. So tan theta is equal to √3. Theta is equal to 60 degrees.
Very good. Tan inverse of √3 and the value of theta will be equal to pi by 3 radians. Is it clear, students? Pi by 3 radians,
Yes, sir.
which is equal
Yes.
to how many degrees? 60 degrees. Students, देखो कितना easy था. Magnitude of vector product. Students, vector product अगर मैंने दिया है और उसका मैंने magnitude पूछा तो आंसर क्या होगा? AB sin theta. ये सबको पता है magnitude. अगर मैंने पूछा and the scalar product, so what exactly A dot B का आंसर क्या आ रहा है? AB cos theta. बस ये इसका मैग्नीट्यूड हुआ, इन दोनों को इक्वेट करो एंड दिस इज √3 टाइम्स, खत्म होगी बात। sin थीटा अपॉन cos थीटा विल बी tan थीटा। और सबने 10th स्टैंडर्ड पढ़ा हुआ है ट्रिगो में, tan ऑफ व्हिच एंगल इज √3, tan ऑफ 60 डिग्री इज √3। क्या ये क्लियर हुआ? क्या ये रॉकेट साइंस था? क्या ये रॉकेट साइंस था? बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन था। हाँ, प्रोवाइडेड ये है कि चलो जो स्टूडेंट्स नए हैं, जिनका पहला लेक्चर है, उनको थोड़ा सा दिक्कत होगी, 110% दिक्कत होगी। अरे जब ये सीखा ही नहीं है तो कहाँ से आएगा, है ना? लेकिन जो सीखे हुए हैं, जो बैठे हुए हैं, they should answer. Okay, now see Valentino, she is entering right now. She was lost, Valentino, or Valentino, he or she, whatever it is, I don't know about it. Please parents now. Next one, fourth one. Who's answering for the fourth one? Students, before going for the fourth one, yeah. Takshi will answer. Again, yes, sir. Fourth one, the answers, students, I'll speak about first. ये जो fourth question है, students, this is actually speaking about circular motion. अभी the answers, students. अगर कोई पर्सन सीधा जाता है स्टूडेंट्स, तो उसको हम बोलते हैं लीनियर डिस्प्लेसमेंट। अगर वही बंदा सर्कुलर में जाएगा तो उसको मैं बोलूंगा एंगुलर डिस्प्लेसमेंट। अगर कोई सीधा चलता है तो मैं बोलूंगा लीनियर वेलोसिटी स्टूडेंट्स। लेकिन वही बंदा अगर सर्कल में जाता है या कार सर्कल में जाती है या कोई 4/100 मीटर रेस भागता है तो इट इज मूविंग अराउंड द सर्कल, तो इसको मैं बोलूंगा एंगुलर वेलोसिटी। लुक एट द टर्म्स आई एम यूजिंग इट, लीनियर डिस्प्लेसमेंट, angular displacement, linear velocity, angular velocity, and this angular velocity is pronounced as omega. इसका यूनिट मीटर तो इसका यूनिट रेडियन। ये तो सबको पता है ना, डिस्प्लेसमेंट मीटर में होता है, वेलोसिटी स्टूडेंट्स किस में होगा, मीटर पर सेकंड में होता है कि नहीं होता है? हाँ स्टूडेंट्स, वेलोसिटी किस में होता है, मीटर पर सेकंड होता है कि नहीं होता है स्टूडेंट्स? आया ना?
Yes.
sir.
यस सर। तो जहां पे रेडियन थीटा में होता है तो एंगुलर वेलोसिटी किसका होगा, रेडियन पर सेकेंड। ये लीनियर वेलोसिटी स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट इज लीनियर एक्सेलरेशन, मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर। एग्रीड?
Yes,
सर। लेकिन वही अगर कार सर्कल में जाएगी तो उसके लिए मैं लिखूंगा एंगुलर एक्सेलरेशन। ये सिंबल है एंगुलर एक्सेलरेशन का स्टूडेंट्स। इसका यूनिट क्या होगा, रेडियन पर सेकंड स्क्वायर। कुछ समझ में आ रहा है स्टूडेंट्स? ये अगर मैं लिखूंगा ये लीनियर मोमेंटम, ये एंगुलर मोमेंटम, ये है लीनियर फोर्स, ये है रोटेशनल फोर्स, टॉर्क, टाउ। कुछ समझ में आ रहा है, एनालॉग समझ में आ रहा है? लीनियर और एंगुलर में टर्म्स के अंदर एग्जैक्टली सेम है, लेकिन सिर्फ ये एंगल में जा रहा है। तो क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट स्टूडेंट्स जहां के कहां पे होगा, व्हेनेवर यू स्पीक अबाउट सर्कुलर मोशन, रोटेशन मोशन के अंदर तुम्हारे क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट्स यूज होंगे। अभी ये जो फोर्थ क्वेश्चन है स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे क्लियरली उन्होंने देखो, उन्होंने फॉर्मूला दिया है, V bar is equal to omega bar cross R bar. Students, that means they're going in anti-clockwise direction. See,
Sir, anti-clockwise or clockwise?
huh?
In this case, it will be clockwise, na?
V is equal to, my dear, omega bar cross R bar. Because now see, who's this asking? Is that you asking?
Yes, sir.
डांस से सुना ही सर, अगर तेरे को सर्कुलर मोशन में मालूम होगा मैं बता दूं, डांस से सुनना। ये सर्कुलर मोशन के हिसाब से देखो, प्लीज रेस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स होल्ड योरसेल्फ। ही इज आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू क्लास 12th। ओके, डांस से सुनना स्टूडेंट्स। ये देखिए, तेरा I, ये तेरा J और ये तेरा K। पार्टिकल जब भी सर्कुलर मोशन परफॉर्म करती है, ध्यान से देखना, तो सोचो अगर मैंने पार्टिकल को यहाँ पे लिया है तो मेरा ये जो v है ये लीनियर वेलोसिटी होगा और वो हमेशा टैंजेंशियल होता है। तो मुझे बताओ लीनियर वेलोसिटी कौन से एक्सिस पे है, इज इट अलोंग x एक्सिस या इज इट पैरेलल टू y एक्सिस?
Parallel to y.
यानी वो y एक्सिस पे है, तो ये j कैप हुआ। एग्रीड?
Yes, sir.
r बार क्या है, सेंटर से उसका पोजीशन दिखाता है, तो ये r बार होगा कि नहीं हुआ? r बार क्या दिखाएगा, कौन सा एक्सिस, x एक्सिस या y एक्सिस?
X axis.
x एक्सिस। एग्रीड? तो इन दोनों का रिजल्टेंट किस तरफ होगा, z एक्सिस, है ना?
Yes, sir.
और वो क्या होगा, एग्रीड, वो ओमेगा होगा। नाउ डू यू नो द रूल व्हाट वी लर्नड इट, डू यू नो द रूल वी लर्नड इट, I J K। अगर मैं एंटी क्लॉकवाइज
sir.
जाता हूँ, व्हाट इज K क्रॉस I?
Positive J.
Positive J.
Am I getting positive J? So is it positive? Yes, anti-clockwise motion में। देखना K क्रॉस I, ये देख, K क्रॉस I is positive J। और K पे क्या है, तेरा एंगुलर वेलोसिटी है, I पे क्या है, पोजीशन वेक्टर है, J पे क्या हुआ तुम्हारा, J के ऊपर हुआ तेरा वेलोसिटी। तो इज इट क्लॉकवाइज और एंटी क्लॉकवाइज मोशन? एंटी क्लॉकवाइज। तो ये पॉजिटिव के लिए, समझ में हो आया?
हाँ सर, सर हमने एक और फॉर्मूला किया था ना पहले, तो मैं उससे रिलेट कर रहा था।
ओके ओके फाइन। तो स्टूडेंट्स ये ध्यान में रखना कि क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट हमेशा हम सर्कुलर मोशन में ही यूज करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स। ओके, क्या ये मैं पूरा इरेज कर दूं, अभी इसको इरेज कर दूं? हाँ स्टूडेंट्स, और इफ पॉसिबल यू कैन
Yes.
राइट दिस। अगर होगा तो यही क्वेश्चन के लिए, फोर्थ क्वेश्चन के लिए ये डायग्राम ड्रॉ करो स्टूडेंट्स, सारा ये डायग्राम, प्लीज एवरीबॉडी ड्रॉ दिस डायग्राम फोर्थ क्वेश्चन के लिए, और ये लिखो वहां पे और फिर ये बताओ। This will help you out to understand. All of you will do that, please. And then I'll erase. Can I erase now, students?
Yes, sir.
सर वो राइट साइड का 2 मिनट रखना.
Okay. Students, now can I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. So यहाँ पे omega bar cross r bar, what exactly it will be? So this is linear velocity is equal to angular velocity into position vector, omega bar cross r bar. Now they have given the omega and r we consider. So can I write the answer for v bar? Yes. So omega bar cross r bar. Let us find out I, j, k. For omega, what will be, students? It's 1 minus 2 and plus 2. For r, it will be 4. Sorry, 0 because there is no I, magnitude of I. For j, it will be plus 4 and for k, it will be minus 3. Students, क्या ये लिखा हुआ तुम लोगों ने ओमेगा बाय क्रॉस आर के लिए?
Yes, sir.
अभी हम सपोज आई कैप को अगर मैं ब्लॉक करता हूँ तो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली मींस? सो दिस विल बी 6 minus 8 minus j cap. If I happen to close the terms, this will be minus 3. This will be 0 plus k cap. If I happen to go for it, bracket close. 4 ones are 4 minus 0. So what's my answer? Minus 2i. This will be plus 3j plus 4k. And that's your answer for B bar. But students, did they ask you to find out vector? They're telling you to find out magnitude of the velocity.
Magnitude.
Magnitude.
So
Magnitude.
how do you find out magnitude, students? कैसे निकालोगे magnitude?
Under
That
root
will be-
minus 2 square, 3
Okay.
4 square.
Very good. Under root minus 2 squared plus
3 square.
very good, Aisha. Okay, 3 squared plus 4 squared. So that will be equal to root of 4 plus 9 plus 16. 16 plus 9 will be 25 and 4, root of 29 units. Okay, is this clear? Velocity is in meter per second. Students, is this clear with all of you all?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, sir, got it.
Okay. Can I erase this part, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Students, we have done all the problems from exercise 1, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Students, can you give me the answer for, have a look onto your module, students. Page number 2020. Page number 20. Question number 6. On the top one. Page number 20, question number 6. Okay, I'll read the question, students, for everybody. Those who don't have the book, please look at the question. और ये सबको आना चाहिए, students, okay? The magnitude of scalar product of two vectors is 8. The magnitude of scalar product of two vectors is 8, and of vector product is 8 root 3. Scalar product is 8 and vector product is 8 root 3. The angle between them can be. Chalo, get me the answer. The angle between them can be.
Sir, can you write
Can
what
you
is
repeat?
given on the board?
Actually, you don't have the book or what? Fine. I got you. Okay, I'll put on the question, students. Magnitude of scalar product. Okay, of two vectors is 8, and vector product is 8 root 3. The angle between the two vectors is option A, 30 degrees, option B, 60 degrees, option C, 120 degrees, option D, 150 degrees. Question clear हुआ students सबको?
Sir, I wrote the answer in chat.
Okay, let me read it. Ethan has given, okay, Ethan has given one answer, Nia has given other answer. Ayush has given some other answer. Ayush, you also answered for the same one?
Yes, sir.
No, my dear Ayush, your answer is incorrect. Ethan and Neha both are correct, but it's not one option. Shubh has given both the answers correct. Good, Shubh. सोचो. No, खुशी. गलत है. नहीं पृथ्वी, गलत है. फिश, गलत है. स्टूडेंट्स, क्यों इतना टेंशन ले रहे हो? मुझे बताओ, एग्जैक्टली ऐसा वाला क्वेश्चन हम लोगों ने किया कि नहीं किया, पहले मुझे ये बताओ. अब ध्यान से सुना स्टूडेंट, देखो हम सॉल्व करते हैं. मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ स्केलर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू वेक्टर्स इज 8. ध्यान से सुना स्टूडेंट्स, एवरीबॉडी बी विद मी. सपोज अगर मैं दो वेक्टर लेता हूं, a बार और b बार, प्लीज स्टूडेंट्स इसका मैग्नीट्यूड यानी ab cos theta is given to me as 8. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ? फर्स्ट इक्वेशन.
Yes, sir.
Vector product is 8 root 3. Students, magnitude of the vector product. So can I say AB sin theta? Agreed. Can I say my answer is 8 root 3 means can I say it will be plus or minus 8 root 3 I can consider? Students? Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
है ना? क्योंकि अगर तुम वेक्टर प्रोडक्ट्स में देखोगे तो तुम्हें दो पॉसिबल आंसर मिलेंगे. तो अगर मैं 8 root 3 लिखता हूँ, चलो मैं 8 root 3 लिखता हूँ, doesn't matter. अभी देखो, if I happen to go for sin theta upon cos theta, रेशियो निकालो, तो AB sin theta upon AB cos theta will be equal to how much we consider, students? Okay, so that will be equal to how much? 8 root 3 upon 8. AB cancels. Can I say tan theta is equal to how much? Root 3. Students, theta will be how much? आ गया तुम्हारा 60 degrees.
Yes, sir.
लेकिन ये एंगल 60 किसके लिए होगा? अगर मैं ये पॉजिटिव लेता हूँ, स्टूडेंट्स समझ में आ रहा है? अगर सपोज मेरा आंसर माइनस में होता तो मुझे बताओ क्या आंसर होता? tan theta
120 degree.
theta of which angle is minus root 3? It's supplement. Getting it, students?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, your answer is 60 degrees and 120 degrees. Vriddhi, is it clear to you?
Sir, why is it minus root 3 though?
Yes, sir.
Of course, because it's a cross product. Cross product के अंदर I can have two directions of the resultant. Hello, I can go for A cross B. I can go for B cross A also. अगर मैंने ये BA sin theta लिखा तो मेरा आंसर minus 8 root 3 में आता. Agreed?
Oh, okay, sir. ठीक है.
Two different directions. So I can have two different angles also in that case. क्या ये clear हुआ, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So students, we're over here itself only. Next lecture will be continuing some more problems based on two vectors, and the further ahead we'll be doing from exercise 2, 3, 4 also. And then for next chapter. But students, kindly revise formula. Is that clear? And go on practicing the problems what we have done it earlier. Okay. Chalo, bye.
Sir, do we have to solve exercise 2 on our own, or we will do it in next class?
No, we'll be doing it. We'll be doing it. We'll be doing it. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Chalo, bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.